Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hoover. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I've got an unboxing to do and I've got Millie here, she's keeping me company on the counter. And you Millie, but you'll have to go down because you don't like vacuums, do you? No, get scared. So first of all, I bought a load of belts for the old 700, the old Hoover 700, the first like senior. So I bought a load of belts. Actually, it's that one there, standing there, because a couple of people have said that the motor was straining with the noise. Probably the belt was too tight. So I went online and I bought some of these. These are for the 612, so we'll test that again. Just going to pop them away. Right, so here I have an unboxing. I know what this one is, and it will probably need one of those belts. So we will have to use one of them, I'm sure. So first of all, I'm going to pop Millie down. There we go. In your bed. Quick. Gilligan, Zach, they're all in here. Quick, bed. Stop sniffing things. Quick, over there. Go on, quick. Go sit down. Whoosh. Right, let me get you guys a bit closer and we'll unbox this. So we have a lot of tape in this box. I think this box has done a number of rounds, so I think it's going to have to go. So what do we have in here? We have a tube and some newspaper, a non-original bag, a hose, handles, a broken but original kind of dusting brush made out of wood, so that's how old it is. We have a pan converter tool, and last but not least, ta-da! Now, I've quite fancied one of these, because I do think that they're rather fetching. We have an original cord, but we don't have a plug on there, so I'm going to have to put a plug. 3 wires. Gosh, that I can barely see. Green, red and black. Good. I'm going to cut a little piece off this. I'm probably going to have to rewire it. Underneath, where's the, there we go. Seems to be in good condition. It's got a belt attached to it. God, that belt has seen better days. Yeah, no, I think these, yes. You have to flick them up. Get one of my new belts. Circular and round. Clip them back in. Close that down. is a height adjuster. Oh, you have to manually change it. Okay, so underneath here we've got the Hoover cleaner. By appointment, manufacturers of electric suction sweepers, protected by patents, registered designs, blah blah blah, made in Great Britain. 400 watts. Gilligan, stop digging. 225 to 250 volts, 0 to 60 cycles, 400 watts, rating number 9. This is the model 612. The Hoover cleaner makes carpets last longer. So I believe this is from the 40s. I can't remember how you put the... That's how you put the pan converter on. Okay, push it down, slide it in. Okay. It's the on and off switch. It seems in very good condition. It needs a bit of a clean up, but it all seems in working order. I just had that working out. Is that stuck now, is it? Oh God. That on and off switch not coming on now. Right. The handle on it is mullered. That rubber is completely disintegrated. So let's pop this on. This is where I need Sam Watson here. That handle. Now I'm just going to put... Zach, go and sit down. Stop sniffing the box. Oh, you're a nosy bugger. Okay. Cable goes through here. It goes through there. I don't think you can see what I'm doing now, can you? I'm just putting the there we go. Let me get this screw on. And let me put this bag on. I'm surprised this doesn't have... Oh, it wouldn't be a bagged one. Alright, okay. It's not an original bag, like I've said, but it does have the this is a very small bag for it. It should be a much bigger bag. It'll be okay for switching it on, at least. Right, let's move all the stuff out the way. Now this needs a plug. So what I'm going to do is cut this off. Where's my scissors? There we go. Let's see if I can... it's not going to be too hard to get this off, I don't think. Let's try this. Yep. Old rubber and paper. Old rubber, paper and string. Jeepers creepers. Let's cut these bits of string off. Definitely going to rewire this. It's fine for a demo, but that'll be it. Right, let me go get a new plug. Okay, so I've had to do some preliminary checks with the electrics before I've switched it on, before I started filming. The cable absolutely needs to be rewired. It just needs a new cable, to be honest. It's safe for the moment, but literally just for me to test it. So I've got it all set up. Unfortunately, the on and off switch here, when you push the switch for it to go on, it stays on. It doesn't flick back out, so that's going to need a replacement switch. The handle on it's going to need repainting completely, and it's going to need a new rubber handle at the top. But it is in very good condition. It just needs some work doing to it. So I've put the new belt on it. I don't think the light was working, so we'll plug it in just for you to see. So the motor on it sounds very good. It could do with a little bit of oiling, but unfortunately I'm not going to risk it doing a test of any description until I am satisfied that this is completely and absolutely electrically safe, and that is not what it is at the moment. So I'm very sorry. It's going to be just a quick unboxing and a switch on. It's a bit of a shame, I know, but unfortunately there's not much else I can do. It's very nice that it comes with its set of tools, which I think are really nice. Even though that is broken, it still can stay on a little bit. And this end here, we have the pan converter, which goes in on the other side. If I'm not mistaken, or is it that way? There we go. So it comes with its tools. So I think that's really nice that it comes with that, but it is going to need electrically checking. So I'm going to pop this to one side for now and pop the hose over there and pop it on the floor, and another one for the summer. I've got a different bag for this, because this cloth bag's not the original, but it's not even a nice colour or quality. It's horrendous. So I'm going to change that and try and convert it so I can use fleece bags with it instead. I'll clean up this and see how far I can go. This Bakelite, the lens is all perfect. This part here, the bumper, is in really good condition. It's just this part of the paint here, it's chipped. So I'm probably going to have to re-hammerite this in like a goldy colour, because that's what the texture is like a hammerite. So once I take this off, and I'll repaint some of this just to freshen it up, and then just do a polishing on this, because it's even got the lettering on it, which is in fantastic condition. And I'll put an LED light in there as well to stop the heat from damaging the Bakelite anymore. So I'm very happy with it. It is going to need some work, just like the other old ones, but if I can get an old junior, the first old senior, an old junior, and one of these, so I have one of each, then I'll be a very happy chappy just to get one of each in full working order. But that is for the summer. So thank you very much for watching. Sorry it's been a little bit short today for this video. I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you all very soon in the next one. Bye y'all.